sorry. I just had to. I did. What's up, you guys? Mains by Mel here. I brought you all to the amusement park. Let's have fun! Alright, on the ride. Let's see if I survive. Just waving goodbye to my family. We're good. Picking up speed. Picking up speed! No! 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 Oh, go here! Kidding, I ain't gonna be dead. Right to! Let's keep going. I can do it. I need $5. Shit. Just so you guys know, I am here with my sister. So this is just the before of my hair before we go on the biggest, longest, fastest ride in the park, the Leviathan, with a 90-degree angle steep. That's not true, but it's steep. Please keep your hands, arms, and feet inside the ride at all times. Okay, here we go. Holy mother of a tin. There goes my hair, and my phone, and my life. Ah! We just did that. We just did that. Well, since I suck at games and I'm a sore loser, I'm gonna have my sister try another game. See if we can win. Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, get in the hole! No! Get in the hole! God damn it. Get in the hole! Yeah! That shit. We're both not game inclined. We have no game. No game at all. We're gonna get a midday snackaroo. Yeah, no carbs here. We're not eating any carbs. Carb free. We're actually on an all carb diet. It's gonna be fine. You're gonna hide it. It doesn't matter. Horrible for us, but great for our souls. We're in line for bumper cars, and I'm not trying to learn how to drive. One way to hell. I swear, people don't know how to drive nowadays. What's up? I'm gonna break it. No! No! Alright, this is my last ride and I'm calling it a day. But let's just evaluate while we're here. My hair held up. I'm very surprised. I thought I'm sacrificing my hair for death. But I'm very impressed. It survived. I will leave the product details in the description below. I had a lot of fun with you guys today. Thank you for coming. I love you all very much. Thanks, kid. See you next time.